And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Coastal water forecast here for the central and north coast. East winds 15 to 25 knots with higher gusts. And for the Prince of Wales Island along the outer coastline there, southeast 25, 12-foot seas. Same thing for Clarence Strait and Lynn Canal and Stevens Passage, southeast winds 15 knots. And for the inside waters for Friday, southeast winds 15 knots with 3-foot seas. And here for the north coast, east to southeast at 20, and for the south coast, south to southeast, 15. Prince William Sound, southeasterlies 20 knots for the day Thursday. And eastern North Gulf Coast, southeast 20 to 25 knots, a little bit stronger here for the west side, east at 30. Same thing for the Barren Islands. Cook Inlet, Kamishak Bay, northeast winds 25 knots with 6 to 8 foot seas. And for Friday, Cook Inlet, north winds down to 10 to 15 knots. East-northeast, 20 knots here, Kamishak Bay and the Barren Islands. And east-northeast at 20 to 25 knots for the North Gulf Coast, while Prince William Sound will be looking at a northeast breeze at 15 knots. Kodiak Island, northeast winds, 25 knots for Thursday. Alaska Peninsula, north to northwest at 20 knots. And north at 15 for Bristol Bay. Then for Friday, Bristol Bay, northwest at 10, and north to northeast winds, 15 to 25 for the Yak Pen, Kodiak Island, northeast at 15. Eastern Aleutians tomorrow, north to northwest, 20 to 25 knots, northeast winds at 20 knots, Adak and Atka Islands there, and then out here to the west, small craft advisories, east-northeasterlies, 25 to 30. And then for the day on Friday, stronger northerly winds out here for the western Aleutians and Adak and Atka, out of the northeast here for the central Aleutians, and north for the west side, all 30 to 35 knots. Eastern Aleutians, northeast, 30 to 35 knots. Southwest coast for tomorrow, north winds 15 to 20 knots. St. Lawrence Island, Norton Sound, north winds at 15. And for St. Matthew Island and the Pribilofs, as you can see, winds will be north also at 20 knots. Northwest 20 to 25 knots here for the St. Matthew Island and Pribilof Islands. Northwest at 10 for Norton Sound. Northwest 15, St. Lawrence Island. North 15 to 20 for the southwest coast. And we got good gale warnings tomorrow for the eastern Beaufort Sea coast. There from about Barter Island to Demarcation Point east at 40. Much lighter here in this stretch of the eastern areas. And then back to brisk wind advisory, so the central coast there. And then back down to 15 knots, all out of the east for the western Arctic coast. And the Chukchi Sea, kind of a variable to northeast wind pattern at 5 to 15 knots. And for the Chukchi Sea on Friday, west-northwest at 10 knots. Western Arctic coast, east-northeast at 10. And for the central coast up here, east winds 15 knots. And the far eastern coast looking at east winds at 20.